marketing. Everybody hates marketing.
Yeah.
What on earth, I hear this term target market. What is it? How do I know what my target market is? Because can't your services just be good for everybody?
Yeah. Yes, so that would be the ideal business where you had a service that everybody really wanted.
Yeah.
The reality is that, for example, someone who's working in a lawn mowing business is only interested in certain services. They're not interested in massive television marketing campaigns, for example.
Yeah, right.
So the target market is the same idea. It's about trying to say, well, what is it that I am selling and who would be interested in that thing? So, for example, if I'm offering university tutoring, that's only interesting to university students.
Yes.
I'm offering high school tutoring. So the idea of a target market is partly about how do we, as the business owner or the person starting a business, how do we actually decide what we're going to offer? Because in deciding that, we cut out some things that we won't do, and it makes our business simpler.
That's really one of the big challenges, I think, is that question no, is to be able to say, what can I say no to?
Yeah, exactly.
Even if it's something that we can do,
Yeah.
we're going to say we're not going to do that
Yeah.
because that's not where we are going to be able to give the best of ourselves.
Exactly. And generally speaking, a person cannot service every single market in every single location even.
No, that's right, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please check out my website, dominicmclaughlin.com, and check out my free course on businessleaderslab.com.